Step 14. Pressure test string and set straddle packers. Operation description. At this stage, the crew performs a pressure test on the completion string and sets the upper and lower straddle hydraulic packers to ensure proper well isolation. The procedure begins by verifying pressure integrity of the tubing and well bore. Once the string passes the pressure test, hydraulic packers are activated to seal off the targeted interval. Surface pressure gauges and downhole indicators are monitored to confirm packer set status and ensure no leaks or communication between isolated zones. Proper setting of straddle packers ensures that production from the well is controlled, the leaking interval is isolated, and subsequent operations can be performed safely. Job hazard analysis. Pressure testing and setting straddle packers involves several hazards. High-pressure hazards. Sudden pressure release or equipment failure can cause injury or damage. Mechanical hazards. Hydraulic packers and completion string are heavy. Improper handling can result in drops or crush injuries. Hydraulic hazards. Hydraulic lines can rupture or leak, causing fluid injection injuries. Trip/fall hazards. Rig floor clutter from hoses, tools, and cables. Pinch/crush hazards. Handling packers and tubing connections exposes hands and fingers. Control measures include ensuring all equipment and hydraulic systems are inspected and certified, monitoring pressure gauges and hook load indicators continuously, conducting a toolbox talk on pressure test procedures, packer setting, and emergency shutdown actions, maintaining rig floor clearance, tagging moving parts, and using barriers around high-risk areas. Using PPE, including gloves, goggles, hard hats, steel-toed boots, and face shields. 5x5 risk assessment, narrative. Before controls, the likelihood of incidents such as hydraulic line rupture, packer failure, or uncontrolled pressure release is 3, possible, and the severity is 5, catastrophic, given potential for severe injury or well damage. The initial risk rating is 15, high. After mitigation, inspected equipment, controlled hydraulic pressure, clear rig floor, proper PPE, and close monitoring, the likelihood reduces to 2, unlikely, while severity remains 4, major. The residual risk rating is 8, medium, allowing operations to proceed safely under supervision. Permit to work. This step requires a pressure test and packer setting permit. The PTW must include verification that well pressure is stable and all previous operations, E-line depth correlation, are complete. Identification of responsible personnel, completion supervisor, rig supervisor, driller, and rig crew. Detailed pressure test plan, including test pressures, duration, and monitoring points. Hydraulic packer setting procedure with confirmation of set indicators. Floor clearance, tagging of hydraulic lines, and exclusion zones. Emergency procedures for packer or hydraulic failure and unexpected pressure spikes. PPE requirements. Gloves, goggles, hard hats, steel-toed boots, and face shields. Communication protocol between rig floor and completion control station. The PTW remains active until the packers are set, the completion string passes the pressure test, and well integrity is verified.